Hello learners, it's me Anu, your math enthusiast from channel Class 6 Maths with our ongoing chapter of fractions, that is chapter 7 of Ncert book. I'm sure everyone is gaining from my videos. Those who haven't seen the previous videos or want to revise it can check it out on my channel Class 6 Maths in the fractions playlist. So in the previous video we learned about mixed fraction, improper fraction and how to convert mixed into improper and improper fraction into mixed fraction. And in the present video we are going to apply that knowledge and solve some questions of fractions. I'm sure everyone is excited for it. So let's begin. Let's quickly have an overview of the formulas that we're going to use in solving the questions. First one is how to convert the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. So let me explain this with the help of an example. So mixed fraction, suppose I have 2 3/4. So this is the whole part, 2 is the whole, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. So if I have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, I will write the whole, multiply by denominator 4 and then plus the numerator, that is 3, upon the denominator 4. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now let's solve it. 2 into 4 is 8 plus 3 upon 4. Now the answer is 8 plus 3 is 11. So the answer is 11/4. So 2 3/4 is a mixed fraction and 11/4 is an improper fraction. Improper fraction is the one, class, I hope everyone remember that. Improper fraction is the one in which the numerator is greater than the denominator, right? So second one is how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So I can take the same example, like, so improper fraction we can take is 11/4, where dividend is 11, 4 is the divisor. So we are going to divide it. 11/4. We all know that 4 times 2 is 8. When we subtract, what are we getting, class? 3 as the remainder. Now for writing it in the form of mixed fraction, we are going to go clockwise like this. So this is the quotient. Remainder is 3. This is remainder. And 4 is the divisor. This is very important to understand the terms, right? So in mixed fraction we will write 2 quotient, remainder is 3, divisor is 4. So the mixed fraction comes out to be 2 3/4. I hope everyone is clear about it, class. So now let's jump into the exercise and solve it. Question number 1. Draw number lines and locate the points on them. So the points are 1/2, 1/4, 3/4 and 4/4. So the first part is that we have to observe the denominator. But in this particular question, if we see carefully, here the denominator is 2 and in the rest the denominator is 4. So my first task will be to make the denominator same. And how can we do that? So 1/2, if I want that the denominator should be 4, so we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. So class, I think it's pretty obvious that if I multiply 2 with 2, I'm going to get 4 as the answer. So I will multiply the numerator as well as denominator with 2. So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So I have changed my fraction 1/2 into 2/4. Now the fractions that I have to plot are 2/4, 1/4, 3/4 and 4/4. I hope everyone is clear. Now the first step was to observe the denominator. So here the denominator is 4. Denominator is 4. So I'm going to divide the length between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the next is to plot the points. The first one is 0/4. Next is 1/4. 1/4 means one part out of total 4 parts. Then this is 2/4. Then 3 by 4, 1. Class, this is very important. Listen carefully. 1 can also be written as 4 by 4 because eventually we'll get 1 only. I hope everyone is clear. So in this way we have plotted all the points. 1 by 2 is actually 2 by 4. So here we can write it as 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. They both are same. Moving ahead to the next part. B part is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. In this the denominators are same. So we'll start with, so denominator is 8. So we are going to divide the length between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now the next step is to plot the points. Let's do it. So first one can be written as 0 upon 8. Next is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, which means 5 parts have been chosen out of 8. 6 upon 8, 7 by 8 and the last one, 1 can be written as 8 upon 8. This is very important, class, to understand. Now the question asked about 1 by 8. So we can highlight it. This is, or I'll just plot it. This is 1 by 8. It's the red color. This is 1 by 8. Then it's 2 by 8. This is 2 by 8. This is 3 by 8. And this one is 7 by 8. I hope everyone understood it. Moving ahead to the next part. C part. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5 and 4 by 5. So in this, denominator is same. That is 5. But class, if we observe carefully, these fractions are mixed. Like the 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are proper fractions. I hope everyone remembers proper fractions, in which the numerator is less than denominator. But 8 by 5 is an improper fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. This is an improper fraction. And we all know that proper fraction lies between 0 and 1, whereas improper fraction is greater than 1. This is very, very important point, class. So we have to plot according to that. So first of all, for plotting these proper fractions, we are going to divide the length between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts because denominator is 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have divided it into 5 equal parts. So the first one can be written as 0 by 5, then it's 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and the last one, 1, or we can write it as 5 by 5. So let's plot the fractions. 2 by 5, this is 2 by 5, class, then it is 3 by 5 and last one is 4 by 5. So this was all about proper fraction. What about improper fraction, that is 8 by 5? Let's check out that as well. So for 8 by 5, firstly we will convert 8 by 5 into mixed fraction. How can we do that? 8, we're going to divide 8 with 5. We know that 5 times 1 is 5 and when we subtract it, we are getting 3 as the remainder. So the fraction becomes 1, 3 by 5. So it is clearly inferred that it is greater than 1. It is lying between 1 and 2. So it is greater than 1. But the fraction part is 3 by 5. So again we are going to divide the length between 1 and 2 into 5 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So to plot 1 3 by 5, which is a mixed fraction, our answer is going to be this one. So let me finish it. This is going to be 3 by 5. So our point is 1 3 by 5, or we can also write it as 8 by 5. I hope everyone understood it. It is not at all difficult, class, just we have to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Like we did 8 by 5, we converted it into 1 3 by 5. So from this it is clearly inferred that it is lying between 1 and 2. Then divide the length between 1 and 2 into 5 equal parts and we can choose 3 by 5. So it becomes 1 3 by 5 or 8 by 5. I hope everyone understood it. This is 1 3 by 5 or 8 by 5. Moving ahead, class. Question number 2. Express the following as mixed fraction. A part is 20 by 3. So class, let me quickly revise. 20 by 3 is an improper fraction. Improper fraction is the one in which the numerator is greater than denominator, and we are going to convert it into mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is the one which consists of a whole number and a fraction. That is a proper fraction. It's a combination of two things, right? So for converting an improper fraction into mixed fraction, we are going to divide 20 by 3. So let's do it together, class. This is 20, and if we are going to divide it with 3, we know that 3 times 6 is 18. So when we subtract, the remainder comes out to be 2. These terms are very important to understand, class, that 3 is the divisor, 6 is the quotient, and 2 is the remainder. So for writing it in the mixed fraction form, we are going to go clockwise like this. So the answer comes out to be 6 2 by 3. I hope everyone is clear about it. So we can also say that for writing an improper fraction into mixed fraction, the particular formula here is that firstly we are going to write, after division we are going to write the quotient, then the remainder upon divisor. I hope everyone is clear about it. Let's solve one more question for more clarity. B part is 11 by 5. So we are going to divide. 11 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor. 5 times 2 is 10. Then after subtraction we are getting 1 as the remainder. So the answer comes out to be going in clockwise direction starting from the quotient. So the answer is 2 1 by 5. So this is a mixed fraction, which is a combination of the whole. Whole is 2. This is whole. 1 by 5 is a proper fraction. I hope everyone is clear. Moving ahead to the C part. C part, 17 by 7. So we are going to divide 17 with 7. Where 17 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor. We know that 7 times 2 is 14. So after subtraction, we are going to get 3 as the remainder. So going in clockwise direction, the answer comes out to be 2 3 by 7. Moving ahead to the D part, 28 by 5. So let's divide it. 28 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor. 5 times 5 is 25. After subtraction, we are going to get 3. So again, going in clockwise direction, we get 5, 3 by 5 as the answer. I hope everyone understood it. So for this, you should be clear that what is divisor, what is remainder, what is quotient, right? Moving ahead, E part, 19 by 6. So let's divide. 19 is the dividend, 6 is the divisor. We know that 6 times 3 is 18. So 19 minus 18 is 1. Now again going in clockwise direction starting from the quotient. So the answer comes out to be 3 1 by 6. So this is the mixed fraction. Class, one more thing I want to tell you all, that you can also see this, that the denominator remains the same. Whether it is improper fraction or it is a mixed fraction, the denominator is going to be same. Moving to the F part, 35 by 9. So again dividing 35 with 9, we know that 9 times 3 is 27. After subtraction, 35 minus 27, we are getting 8. So again, moving in the clockwise direction, starting from the quotient 3, it is 3 8 by 9. So we have converted it into a mixed fraction. I hope everyone is clear. Moving ahead to the next question. Question number 3, express the following as improper fraction. So here we are going to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So there is a particular formula which I would like to share. We have already revised it. Let me write it one more time here, that we are going to firstly multiply the whole number with the denominator, and to this product I'm going to add the numerator divided by the denominator. So in short, I'm saying that denominator is going to remain same whether we are converting improper into mixed or mixed into improper. So let's see, 7 is the whole part here, whole multiply by the denominator, that is 4. The product will be added to the numerator and the denominator 4 remains the same. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 3 upon 4. So the answer comes out to be 31 by 4. I think quite easy. Let's jump to the B part. So 5 6 by 7. So let's multiply the whole number 5 with the denominator 7. Add the numerator 6 and the denominator 7 remains the same. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. Then we add 6. Then 7 as it is. 35 plus 6 gives us 41 by 7. I think quite easy, class, and we all know that practice makes perfect. Maths is such a subject that if you will practice more and more, you're going to become more proficient in it, right? So moving to the C part, 5 by 6. So here the whole number is 2 multiplied with the denominator 6. Then to this product we're going to add the numerator 5. Denominator remains the same. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 5 upon 6. 12 plus 5 gives us 17 by 6. So in this way we have converted all the mixed fractions into improper fractions in which the numerator is greater than denominator. Moving ahead to the next part, D part, 10 3 by 5. So again, let's multiply the whole 10 with the denominator. To this product, let's add the numerator 3. Denominator is going to remain the same. 10 into 5 is 50 plus 3 upon 5. So 53 by 5. I think quite easy, class. So keep observing that the denominator is same, 5 and 5. E part, 9 3 by 7. So again multiply the whole 9 with the denominator 7. To this product add the numerator 3, then 7 as the denominator. So 9 into 7 is 63 plus 3 by 7. Then adding 63 and 3 we get 66 by 7. Again observe the denominator is same. Moving ahead to the last part, F part, 8 4 by 9. So the whole is 8 multiplied with the denominator 9. To this product add 4, the numerator, denominator remaining the same. Now 8 9s are 72. To this we add 4 and then 9 remains same. So now 76 by 9. So I think, class, it was quite easy to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So that's it for today, class. I hope all of you are gaining from my video. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such content. See you all in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Till then, bye-bye.